everybody, Ethan GV here. Welcome back to another episode of Ratchet and Clank Future Quest for Booty. This episode we need to destroy the pirate ship, man the turrets. We have to destroy the cannons, I believe, right? Hey, it's Darkwater. Hey, bro, how's it going? Oh crap, he's launching stuff at me. What? I can't reach him. Ah! How do I destroy this thing? Can't I just like throw grenades at it? Ah, whatever. Yeah, you gotta destroy the turrets. I remember from Tools of Destruction. I remember. Oh! Oh crap. What? I'm coming! Don't worry, I got a tornado launcher. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my. Help. Can I bring another tornado out? This one sucks. Woo! Get owned. By my disc. You like my disc? Yeah, level 5. That's it. We don't have to use it anymore. It looks epic though. The Tempest launcher. Ah, I knew it. I just barely remembered it. Oh my gosh. This is just that one thing. This is just one of the Jawfid chips things as pirate mode though. Like seriously. Like that? Like seriously, that's just the one thing from the one place. The Jawfid drone thing. Woo! Wow, that's kind of disturbing. They turned into little pirates. Alright. Island safe. Oh no, we got shields, guys. Oh, it's like Ratchet. It's like Tools of Destruction all over again. Oh, that was a great game. My second favorite game in the series. There's some weird ass enemies. Oh my gosh, another one of these things. Okay, I get it. I get it. You're just a butt face. Wow, the tornado launcher sucked that bad. Holy crap. Alright, more chances to kill enemies, and then we'll start. Oh no! Okay, maybe we shouldn't use the tornado launcher anymore because that takes way too long. This weapon sucks. Like, it is a lot worse than it was in Tools of Destruction. And it upgrades slowly in this game too. 10 fusion bombs to destroy that thing. Or fusion grenades? Oh no. I think that's its first mode. Fusion grenades, then fusion bomb. I don't know. Woo! Alrighty then. I think our combustor is our most powerful weapon. Surprisingly, in Ratchet and Clank Tools of Destruction, it was the worst weapon in the game. You're not Jesus! Jesus! Oh no! Talon's probably like dead. I kind of feel bad. I left her to die. Are you kidding me? Fail! Like, oh, you made it! I'm glad you made it. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Woo! Wait, his ship is back. What? Do I have to destroy his ship again? Woo! Finally. Defense system back online. Oh, this is the other side of his ship. Okay. Okie dokie, I understand now. Alright, ooh, these are taking a little longer. Get away from me! Oh my, okay, a little too long now. Okay, this is kind of excessive. You suck balls.
Regulations.
Yeah! Woo! Cutscene?
Boost back to the island alone. Guess I know how Clank must feel.
We have to catch up with Darkwater before he comes back for another raid. Do you have any idea where he went? A map? Ratchet, that could be the location of Darkwater's treasure. See if you can find someone to translate it.
We all know who that is.
Whoa there, friend. What's your hurry? Well, if I were all angstrom, I suppose I'd probably head over to Darkwater Cove. Legend says that's where he hid all his riches, you see. Well, this is your lucky day. See, this here's a map to Darkwater Cove. It's written in Decadroid, but I would be happy to act as your guide. Now, of course, I couldn't offer my services without, say, cold hard cash. Oh, thank you kindly, friend. Let's go. Well, what do you say we, borrow that skiff?
The smuggler was true to his word. So with the Fulcrum Star within his grasp, and without even stopping at a pub, our hero sailed off into the night. His destination? Adventure!
Please, laid it on a big thick. Hey, Pete.
Are you sure you want to go in there, friend? These ears have heard some mighty disturbing stories about this old island.
That star is my only hope of finding Clank. I'm not leaving Murdergrow without it.
Here we go.
Well, all right, but I couldn't let my favorite customer go without a little extra firepower. Now, why don't you take these weapons? I just found them floating out there in the far island.
Okie dokie. The Predator launcher. The Nano Swarmers. That is the rest of our weapons, everyone. See? See? There's one more weapon, but we have to buy it off the smuggler. It's like the Rhino weapon, but we've seen it before. It was one of our favorite weapons in the Tools of Destruction. You guys probably know what it is. Yep, we are getting back the whatever it was called. I forgot.
Who will be the greedy soul that dares set foot on Darkwater Cove? State thy name, and pray it's reached mine ears before. That ain't no pirate, Be gone, or find your soul plucked from their bones.
Sorry, I just had to say that one.
Captain, is it possible? You don't look like him. It's been a long time, and mine eyes on what they once were. If you really are Darkwater, prove yourself and fight them.
So like no weapons or anything? Like no.
Bravo, Captain, bravo! I had all kinds of
Let me in! Hey, that worked. We will upgrade the Predator launcher and the Nano Swarmers all the way because those are also two guns we never really
I was
used.
just thinking I could do with more booby traps.
Look, that skull has to be Darkwater's treasure room.
Darkwater must have had a way across the lagoon. Come on, we gotta check out the island.
Okay, am I really that heavy to these things? I mean, like, come on. And here we go! Okay, you can go close again. Sorry, Talman, I don't want you through. What's in the water? I seem to be landing in it. It doesn't seem to matter. Oh, I drowned. Okay, that makes sense.
Look,
Let's go this way.
that skull has to be Darkwater's treasure room.
Darkwater must have had a way across the lagoon. Come on, we gotta check out the island.
I don't think I've ever gone this way. Let's go this way. There might be multiple ways. You might have to go multiple ways or something like that. Woo! Alright. Alright. Woo! Alright. Alright. Woo! I'm a pro. I'm a pro. Come with me. Yeah. No! Oh, come on. Jump! Double jump! Double jump!
Skull has to be Darkwater's treasure.
Ah,
Darkwater must have had a way across the lagoon.
I know, right?
Gotta check out
Right.
the island.
Wah, 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 wah. I really wish we had Clank. It's the hard knock life without 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 Clank. He was our soul. Something about Dark Souls. Woo! Alright, that was easy. Oh, the organ! Oh no, this is the drinking challenge. And one thing I like about this little area is, this Darkwater Cove, this has mini games every area. This is a pretty fun mini game.
Hey! This facility is reserved for Captain Mainstream Darkwater. Pardon me, Darkwater. Fix me a drink.
Okay.
A bit of the bubbly and chew to the bone. Top it with a twister and send a happy pirate home.
A bit of the bubbly. A bit of the bone. Give it a twist and send a happy bird home.
Your ingredients be fair, but your order be rotten.
Okay.
A bit of the bubbly and chew to the bone. Top it with a twister and send a happy pirate home.
Oh, a bit of the bubbly. A chill to the bone. Give it a twister. And send a happy pirate home. Drink it.
Scalding bitter aftertaste. Proper amount of snow trout. A fine point indeed. Well done. All right, here's your next drink. A dash of a cyclone, a drop of hot fire. A wee bit of bubbly makes an honest man a liar.
Alright. Cyclone. Fire. Bubbly. You're a goddamn liar.
Zesty lemon liqueur. Proper brain cell to grog cell ratio. You did it again, sir. He may be Darkwater after all. All right, here's your last drink. A pinch of lover's greed, a dash of winter's sorrow. Top it off with golden sun and bid thee fair good morrow.
Lover's greed. Tastes like shit. Ah, retry.
What are you trying to do? Kill me? A pinch of lover's greed, a dash of winter's sorrow. Top it off with golden sun and bid thee fair good morrow. A pinch of lover's greed, a dash.
Okay, I understand.
Poison tastes better than this. And don't you know, I was poison.
What?
A pinch of
Alright, let's try that again. This has to be it. This is like the last combination I got. Oh, yes.
Undergo the shock side, yet the dash of words tool makes it blissfully reminiscent of a fine Chateau Fiestante. You did it, sir. Welcome home. Allow me to venture my steps.
Alright, 2 to go. Maybe we could do one more if we could do it super fast. Maybe we'll do the organ. Hopefully, maybe. I don't know. Everyone's like, spoiler alert! Shut up. I was gonna go this way originally, but I tried to hit that thing. Alright. Get the heck out of here. Get the heck out of here. Woo! Oh, the organ! Angstrom's too.
I won't sleep in, sir.
Alright, it's a little game of charades, which we will do in the next episode, so be sure to leave a like, favorite, and subscribe for more. Anyways, my name's Ethan GD, and I'm out. Peace.